Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI 12T Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate App Permission Manager on this smartphone. You need to begin by accessing Settings. In them, scroll down and tap on Privacy Protection. Then you need to click on All Permissions over here and tap on one of those features, like Camera. Now just click on one of your apps and tap on the best option for you. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with the first one, so when I go back, as you can see, Chrome just gained access to this device's camera if I'm using it. But you can always go back, select any feature and look for an app that you wish to manage. So for example, I will go into Microphone to manage my recorder. Now select See All Recorder Permissions over here and manage them only for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!